Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today is your week 4 day 1 lecture. Today's topic is formatting text. In this video, in this lecture, we will discuss how to create and save the Word document. You have to create the document and you have to save the Word document. Okay, if you want to create a Word document, you first need to open a Word document. There are two methods to open the Word document. The method number one is on the desktop. There is an icon that you can click on it. The red arrow shows there is an icon of Word document on the desktop by default. If in any case there is no icon of Word document on your desktop, just click the start button. The blue arrow shows that you have to click the start button if your Microsoft Word icon not appear on the desktop. Okay, when you click on the start button, just click the programs button and hold your mouse on program button. Okay, when you click the programs, there are so many other programs in programs. Just click the Microsoft Office and then hold your mouse over Microsoft Office. Okay, when you click on Microsoft Office, then there are so many programs. You just have to click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. When you click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, then the Microsoft Office will be open. Okay, when you click on the Microsoft Word 2007, then this window will appear. This is a window of Microsoft Word 2007 where you can write your document. Okay, when you want to save the Word document, just click on the menu bar. You can see the blue arrow. The blue arrow shows that you can open the menu bar from here, but if you don't want to open the menu bar, you just have to save by shortcut keys, then click Ctrl plus S. These two methods are used for to save the document. Okay, when you click the menu bar button, then then the window open where is new, open, save. Then if you want to save the document, just click the button save as. Okay, when you click on the save as, then this window will appear where you have to write the name of your document, and on the left side you can say they save in that where you want to save the document, in which place, in which location. Okay, if you want to save your document in desktop, just click on desktop button. The green arrow shows that you want to save the document in desktop, and if you have write your name and you have saved the location, just click the button save, then your document will be. Okay, finally you can see the document have been created on the desktop. By this method you can open and create the or you can save the Word document on the desktop. Thank you.